So I'm in the BDA layout, Hennur BDA layout. So I hope you like the video. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you for supporting me so much. In 70 to 80% people have subscribed me. Thank you. Let me show you some parks and greenery in the layout in the meantime. So guys, I'm super excited to show you 3 corner properties in this 40 acres of BDA layout. I think it's more than 40 acres. So this BDA layout has an exclusive entry to this BBMP park that you can see. It has 6.5 kilometers radius jogging track, and this park measures 187 acres only for this BDA layout. So I'm in the BDA layout, Hennur BDA layout, and showing you a property. This video I've already made part 1 in Samaria Set Estates, video number 12. Part 1. This is part 2, plots which are newly come up for sale in this BDA layout. To see the whole entire entry of the layout and how the whole layout looks, everything is made in the part 1, Samaria Set Estates. Here in Prithvi Nivasi, I'm just showing you the plot itself. So kindly go to Samaria Set if you have not seen the part 1. Video number 12. So I've started on my way to the first plot. There are 3 corner plots and I think 5 30-40 plots. This is a 40 plot. In the front it is 30, and that's how we came inside. It's about 25 to 27 feet road, and there you can see there are a lot of houses around. So let me show you what's inside. This is a compound done by the owner, and this side is 40, this is 30 feet, and this is 30 feet again. So this is totally 1200 square feet. Plot number 1. Do remind me plot number 1. And let us see the second plot. This is 30 feet east facing property, and depth is 40 feet right behind that construction house, as you can see in the screen. And let me show you around. This is how we came inside. This is in the same BDA layout. There's a rental unit, I can say, right opposite the property. So that's a road again. So this is totally 40 acres of BDA property. All the plots, all the corner plots that I'm going to show you is in this layout, this part of this layout only. So this is a 30-40 east facing, plot number 2. Do remind me when you call me, plot number 2. And let's go to the third property. As we enter, you can see right in front of me there is that's a small stone there. From there it is 28 feet to the road, 28 feet, and the depth of this property is 40 feet. So we are in the same layout. This is more than 40 acres of property. Do not get confused that I'm showing you a different layout. It's the same BDA layout, and this is a 28 by 40 feet to the depth. Inside it is 40 feet, to the road it is 20 feet. And this is plot number 3. When you call me, do remind me for plot number 3. So from here, let's start for another property. Is it a corner one? No, this is 1800 square feet. I'm on a 30 feet road right now, and this property faces towards east. This is from this corner to that corner, it is 31 feet. And depth is, that is the east facing road, depth is 56, 31 by 56. And this is the west facing side of the same property. Let me show you. This is the west facing road. Actually this property has 2 roads, and 31 to the west and 31 to the east, 2 roads. So till now I've showed you all center plots only. I've yet to show you, I'm soon going to show you the corner one after this property. So from here to there it is 30 feet, and depth from here to there it is 40 feet. It's a north facing property, and right in front of this there is a construction happening, as you can see. So this is the same layout BDA property, more than 40 acres on Hennur Bairati. So now it's time to see the first corner property. This is almost a main road of this main road, and this is a 40 by 60 corner property. So this is the first corner property. So you can refer plot number 6 when you call me. So this is 60 feet, that is 30 feet road, almost 30 feet road, and this is a main road, this side towards the 40 feet of the plot. So let me take you to the corner and show you. That is 60 feet, and to the main road it is 40. It's a big road. It's almost a commercial property, and you can make a lot of profit out of this property. So there's a under cable work going on in the layout, so there'll be no poles anymore. The poles will be taken out from this property. So I'm on the second corner property. From here it is 60 feet towards the east side of the property, and towards the south side is 40 feet. So that's 60. If at all this video is being sent to you by any property dealer or a property agent or a consultant, do let us know their names so that we can help them out get the complete benefit out of this deal. I request you to respect all the property dealers who have sent you this video, so we can get them also involved in this deal. Thank you. So let us go to the plot number 8, the last corner property of this video. So now I'm on the main entrance of the layout. This is the first main entrance of the layout where actually everybody enters from this. This is a corner property which I've already covered in video number 12, Samaria State Estates. There the price was different. Now the owner has revised the price, so I had to take this video again, this corner property. So this property, let me tell you the size of it first. It is 37 to the north side. From there to here, it is 37, and this is 37 to the north and 56 towards the west. So the road which is towards the north is about 35 feet. It is it's more than 30 feet, and that's the entry. As I said, this is the entrance of the layout, the first road. It's about 50 feet road, and I'm standing right in the corner of the road. That is 37, and depth of the property is 56, and over here you get a 50 feet road on the other side, which is on the west side of the plot. So owner is revised about 300 rupees on this property. Earlier it was 6,500 he was asking. Now he's asking 7,000 rupees negotiable. Last price would be 6,700.